So regarding my opinion of Proton, I think it's more not towards change, but more towards strengthen, because I finally get to see for myself the quality that goes behind each car through the engine itself. I saw each step of the way, how it was processed, and I think that each step had its own care and due process taken care of, and I think that's really great to see. I'm impressed with how the fusion of automation as well as manual works were together. So even though it was robotized at some parts, but even the people know exactly what they're doing and what to look out for, and it was very, very nicely gelled together. One that stood out to me was the helium leak test, because you can detect up to like 0.1 microparticle or something to see any leak. So I think that's really a good show on their commitment to make perfect engines from the factory itself. To have such wonderful trained personnel at such a very young age, right? So it beats well for the merchant automotive industry, because if you have such good engineers at that age, it's only going to get better as time goes on.